Hello, everyone. The analytical community is in touch with you System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with general information about the company. If you want, you can pause the video. You can examine all the parameters of the company in question in more detail. Now we will look at the current fundamental indicators of the company. Rhythm Pharmaceuticals, ticker RYTM. This review is based on data as of June 7, 2025. According to classification GURU.Markets organization, Rhythm Pharmaceuticals belongs to the subcategory Pharma Metabolism. 33 organizations take part in the comparison, which is quite representative. We will look at the order table at the end of the video. The result for the company is as follows: minus 9.5 out of 10 points. The average result for the subcategory is minus 3.1 points. If you look very broadly, within the entire stock market as a whole, you can see that the average result for the entire market as a whole is 1.9 points. Against a minus rating, 9.5 points for the company Rhythm Pharmaceuticals. By comparing the movement of the company's stock price Rhythm Pharmaceuticals Inc. and subcategory shares, we see that over 12 months the shares Rhythm Pharmaceuticals Inc. showed a dynamics of 76.5%. 42% are against price changes in the subcategory. Market capitalization of the company Rhythm Pharmaceuticals Inc. amounts to $4.33 billion. And the market capitalization of the subcategory is $59 billion. The company's book value is $0.02 billion. With a balance sheet capitalization of $11 billion, the subcategory is worth $11 billion. Comparing the market and balance sheet capitalization shares, we see the following. Share Rhythm Pharmaceuticals Inc. in the subcategory when assessing the market value is 7.388%. Book value capitalization is 0.177%. Evaluation of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization in the subcategory bad, minus 1 point. The company under study has financial liabilities of $0.259 billion. Debt to book value ratio is 1,361% of equity. The result for the company's debt obligations, very bad, minus 2 points. The ratio of the company's stock price to its earnings is 0. Average in subcategory 0. Evaluation of the company's market price to profit ratio in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $174 million. Projected profits for the next 12 months are unknown. Evaluation of indicators of projected future profit in comparison with the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company's value to revenue ratio is 31.7. The average in the subcategory is 11.1. Evaluation of stock market value to revenue ratios in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory bad, minus 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $140 million. Projected revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of the expected future sales volume indicator in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory bad, minus 1 point. The marginality is minus 127.1%, with an average in the subcategory of minus 56.6%. Evaluation of sales profitability in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 3.519%. which is 110% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is $15,312,000. And for the subcategory, $7,294,000. Assessment of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per employee is minus $614.5 thousand, with an average for the subcategory, minus $372.9 thousand. Evaluation of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, Talent, minus 0.5 points. The company's revenue per employee is $483,000. In the subcategory, $659,000. Evaluation of revenue per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, Talent, minus 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions is 8.7%, with an average for the subcategory of 11.5%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 64% for the company Rhythm Pharmaceuticals Inc. Whereas for the subcategory this level is approximately 56%. The company's actual stock valuation is around $68.12. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $83.43. Let's go to the order table. It is available to you. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all publicly accepted decisions in a given season by the information and reference system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the analysis of shares Rhythm Pharmaceuticals information and reference system GURU.Markets, a decision has been made. Order to open a fall at $68.11 per share. The deal is open because the company has a fairly low valuation. The company's valuation was made using the Akeem's index valuation approach. Take profit is set at 58.42. Stop loss is set at 77.8. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is closed automatically based on the results of trading on July 7, 2025, or on the last trading day before this date. Ticker MDXG will become the main purchase transaction. The video of the main deal has already been published on this channel. When one of the orders is closed, the base or the balancing one, the opposite order is fixed at the last price. Thank you all so much for watching this video and for using the help system, GURU.Markets.